This is Amy. She's into healthy eating, fashion, interesting chairs, that's weird, and activists called Greta, not you, Jerry. At home she has a fat fryer, a grizzly bear onesie, and a crabby beanbag. Oh, there she goes. Her problem? She wants an era, not that fryer. Bears make her angry, and that is not a chair. She downloaded the Ferris app, a zero-waste app for giving and getting for free. Now she has that era, super cool driving gear, and a slinky little chair. And she's made a difference. No, Jerry. Goodbye, landfill. Hello, planet. Well done, you. Ferris, the zero-waste app for giving and getting for free.
Every year, tens of millions of household items are going to waste. And it's no wonder. Getting rid of stuff is hard. There's a calling for brands to step up and fight the battle against overconsumption and waste.
Ferris is a zero-waste app for giving and taking household items for free. We exist to inspire and motivate users to reduce waste through giving. Users can give away once-loved items in seconds or get items nearby. It's fun, fast and easy to use. Great gamification and community elements will differentiate us, powered by exclusive rewards from brands in the zero-waste and low-emission space.
We already have over 1,000 registered users giving and taking items, including designer clothes, bikes, pianos, sofas,
And even a caravan.
all saved from landfill.
Advertising, affiliates and subscriptions will make up the first phase of monetization. Between myself and Phil, we have spent over 20 years managing these revenue streams for high growth and Fortune 500 businesses alike. But this is just the start. There's so many other revenue enablers to come.
The second-hand fashion market alone is set to double to $77 billion by 2024 and has already spawned a number of unicorns, some right here in the UK. We believe the free commerce space is wide open and the first billion-dollar player has yet to be determined.
By investing in Ferris, you'll help to recruit tens of thousands of consumers to a movement and to build in gamification features that will reward them. Most importantly, this is an opportunity to make a real difference. The more successful we are, the more items will be saved from landfill, and the more neighbours and friends will be delighted with once-loved second-hand items. Goodbye, landfill.
Hello, planet.